Hey, what's going on? I just wanted to come in here real quick and talk to you guys. I know that I haven't posted in like 2 weeks. It's because I've been super busy. And if you guys didn't know this, I'm pretty much a one-man band when it comes to editing stuff. Emily helps me record, but all the editing is all me. And I've had like 3 or 4 videos that I'm behind right now. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I do have those zeroing videos coming up soon. The reason why I didn't put that one up is because my Picatinny rail that I put on there was just temporary, and that's why my zero wasn't working that well. So my new one came in and I have to install that before I actually zero the weapon. And about 2 weeks ago, Taylor and I went out to go scout, so that video is going to be coming out to you guys soon. And tomorrow morning we're actually going to be scouting again. And right now we're getting some news from the Facebook pages that the elk are starting to bugle and the cows are starting to talk. But in this video, I want to show you guys something that I've been wanting to get for a long time now. I hope you guys enjoy it. So we'll see you guys at the end of the video.
So this is my 2016 Toyota Tundra, and this is my wife's 2010 Lexus GX460. One thing that these vehicles have in common is that their throttle system lags. The GX460 has the electronic drive-by-wire throttle system, and the Tundra has the fly-by-wire throttle system. It just means that there's no direct connection between the accelerator pedal and the engine's throttle body. And even though the Lexus is a different name, it's the exact same thing. What that means is that it lags. You press on the pedal if you want to pass a semi, and it takes a couple seconds for it to actually give you that giddy up, which what Emily calls it. And what I'm going to be talking about today is how to make that quicker and how to have different options for your throttle response. What's going on? Welcome back to another video, and today I have some exciting news and exciting product that I'm going to be installing on the Tundra and my wife's GX. But first off, we're going to do my Tundra and we're going to do my wife's GX later on in the video. I will link the timestamp down below or somewhere on the screen how to install this product for the GX. So what this product is boom, right there. This is the ShiftPower Throttle Response Controller from Beat Sonic. I was very intrigued because I saw TRD John's video on it, and I just had to get one for myself because I needed something that will help me pass semis, especially when I'm gonna go out to go hunt, or if I want to use less power, put it on eco mode if I'm doing these long distance drives to all these hunt locations. And for my wife, she wants it to be the exact same thing, where if she wants to go somewhere quicker or set it on eco mode, which her vehicle already has an eco mode, but I think this is going to help out just a little bit. And the reason why we both want to have a quicker throttle response is because if you live out here in Utah, the main highway is the 15, and there's a lot of semi trucks here. We both don't like driving next to semi, and we try to move as quickly as we can past them, but sometimes it lags. So this is where this is going to come in. I just want to have a quick disclaimer also. I ended up talking with Beat Sonic, and they ended up providing this product not for free, but with a discount for me to review this, and they said that I can be 100% honest with you guys on how everything is with the installation and with the review and how it actually responds. So they didn't pay me to say anything on here. This is just a review on what this product is and how this product will be. So let's just go quickly on what this is. I will link this product down below. So let's open up this product just to show you guys what's inside. It comes with 2 of these. Damn, what the fuck are these called again? I don't even know what these called. I'm having a brain fart right now. Oh my gosh. I really don't know what this is. Zip ties. Oh my gosh. What the heck? It comes with this cool sticker that kind of pops up. Holographic. Instruction manual. And this is it right here. This is literally all that comes with this. So you have this indicator, which also, if you hear it, it's also a button that'll cycle through the modes, which you can either do it here or on the app. There's a female connector, a male connector, and you have the computer itself. All right, let's go ahead and go down under and install this thing.
So the first thing that you have to do is make sure that the engine is off, and then you open the door and you leave it open for 10 minutes so that the vehicle is on standby mode. And I think if you have a key fob, like the push to start or a normal key fob, just take it away so that it's not sensing the key fob. So let's leave this here for 10 minutes and we'll come back. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes, and just know that this part right here, the indicator, is not attached to the module itself, which is right here. So don't forget to attach this. So from the photos and the instruction, this looks like it's connected up here, and I was kind of tripping. I was like, oh, where is it going? It's actually halfway up the wire, so keep an eye out on that. So now let's go ahead and install this. Let me just turn on my light so that you guys can see up here. All right, so this is what you're gonna have to take out. All right, boom, that's off. So you'll have the OEM plug in to this connector, the thicker one, the female one, and plug it in there, boom. And then you'll have this female connector connect to where the OEM was, and that's it, you're done. You're done. The module itself, you can just hide it somewhere that it doesn't bother you when you're driving or anything. So I'm just gonna tuck it in this area back here. Now you're gonna figure out where you want this to be. Some people put it here, some people put it here. And I'm gonna put it right next to the tow haul button so I can see it and see what color it is. All right, so the next thing you know, you're gonna get on your phone. I'll put it up right here for you guys, and you're gonna download this right here. That's the ShiftPower. So this is it right here. Okay, so the different modes are, the D is dynamic, S is sport, SS is super sport, and R is race. And if you want to see me test this right away and you don't care about the GX, then I'll link the timestamp down below and up here. But we're gonna go ahead and install the GX one because the vehicle door has been open for about 10 minutes now. So let's go ahead and quickly do that. Okay, so this one, the throttle response is a little bit tricky just because it is all the way up top, up here. So kind of have to finagle your way. It's actually, yeah, it's up here. All right, so I popped it off, and you could actually remove this piece of plastic right here. This plug is a little bit taller, so it's up here. I don't know if you can see, it's up here where my finger's pointing. I'll try to zoom in, but it's this right here. This goes right here, boom, and this one goes into pedal up here. And that's it. And now I just gotta hide this wire, and then we'll be finished. So I finished it. I don't know where Emily wants this one just yet, so I will leave this here, and then we'll come back to this once she knows where she wants to put it. And we'll also have her drive to see her reaction. Let's go ahead and start this thing. I had to exit out of it, go back into the app, and then you go and press on the top right. There should be a car with a Bluetooth sign on top. You press that, press the connect, and this password is given to you in here. Okay, the password that I have is this. Boom, 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 pair. Is it paired? All right, a little bit more further reading. I thought this was where the password was, like halfway in through the manual, but it's actually right here. It's the front page, so that was my bad. All right, so now let's go ahead and put this password on, which after you sign in, you're gonna see this. Mine is a Toyota Tundra 2016. Accept. Okay, dynamic mode. Okay, so let's go through the settings a little bit. So I'm just gonna keep this like this for right now, but I will change it just because I want to see if there is a difference. Safety stuff, they have a disable button if you want that. I'm gonna go through this stuff later on, And just know that whatever I'm going through is the same thing as what it's going to be for the Lexus. So mode settings, okay, let's just keep it like that because I want to test it out. Also, I think if you have the BeatSonic app and if you have the passcode for either car, so once I install Emily's, I'll have it on my car too. If you go to the settings area, boom, you press vehicles and her car will pop up there. So we're going to test that out later. The valet is where you can keep it locked at how much percentage you want the valet person to have access power to your vehicle. So you can do 15% power, or you could do 30, or however you want, and this is all touchscreen. So let's do 18%, and I want to see how it is if I'm driving out right now. You guys see those two lines? One will show the original, how much power it originally is, and then you'll have the shift power under. Okay, let's go ahead and check this. There's no one on the road. So now I'm gonna go ahead and floor it, and you'll see, let's go 15%, and I'm gonna floor it right now, and you'll see the original go super high and possibly the shift power will go low. All right, I'm flooring it right now. I am literally balls to the wall flooring it, and it is not moving. Wow. Let's go ahead and do dynamic, which the dynamic gives a little bit more power, as you guys just saw, and the button is green on there. I'm about to go on the main road. Okay, I do feel it a little bit more. Oh wow, that response is so much better. All right, so let's get off of that. So let's go off. I'm gonna press on the throttle right now just to show you guys, and if you guys can hopefully hear it, the response. Okay, you heard that kind of took a little bit of a split second. Let's go to dynamic with 25% more gain, and I'm about to press it. Hopefully you guys can hear it real quick. Oh wow, that's way quicker. This is crazy. I'm gonna try the sport one. Damn, do I want to try this? I'm on sport right now. You see how much more it is? Oh yeah, you guys can hear that for sure. So the area where I'm at, there's a lot of cops out here, so I'm gonna wait and test out the other stuff later. But let's go do eco. What's eco? Okay, I'm gonna go through the car wash. Okay, so the eco one, you guys can see that it's a little bit, just 10% under, and you can go more if you want to. But let's go ahead and get this car wash, and I'll come back to you guys in a little bit. So far, I am freaking loving this thing. Alright, I wanted to finish recording this video, but since I am going to be going on that hunt, I will be testing the Eco, the Sport, the Super Sport, probably not the race, but I wanted to give you guys a full review on that. And Emily's been driving her car with it, and she's been loving it so far, so we'll get her input on that also. And just to give you guys my closing thoughts, do I think it's better than a supercharger? No. Do I think it's better than an OTT tune? No. But what I do think is that this is perfect for someone that just wants a little bit of a giddy up, or you guys use the valet so you guys can use that feature, and if you want to be safe, you can use that lock feature also whenever you go on a hike or are going to be gone for a couple of days. Do I recommend it? 100%. If you don't really care about a tune or anything like that, or you don't want to spend like $5 or $6 grand on a supercharger, but you do want that little oomph, you know what I'm saying, to pass by the semis, this is a for sure thing to buy. I'll link everything down below. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.